It's hot out there. I'm Judy Moore, and I want to talk to you about staying safe during extreme heat. First of all, if you have to be outside, use the buddy system. That way, you're looking out for someone else, they're looking out for you. Stay indoors as much as possible during the hottest part of the day. And if you can be in air conditioning, be there. Also, drink plenty of water, and don't wait till you're thirsty to drink, because by then you're already getting dehydrated. And avoid caffeine and alcohol. If you have pets outside, be sure and check on them often. Make sure they have enough water. And never, ever, ever leave kids or pets unattended in a vehicle.